Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ian. So yesterday I got this Panasonic two-way styler. So it can be used as both a straightener and a curl. Let's open it. The instruction, all in Japanese, of course. A pouch. So the one I got is compact. We can take it everywhere. And that's what it looks like. So we'll see. So before I do anything, I normally spray some hairspray. This one, it helps protect your hair from further damaging. So if you're like me, like to dye different colors or change hairstyle like every 3 months, then you should definitely use something like this. And then brush the hair to smooth the hair and add some volume. So if you're looking for something like hair straightener that can also be used as a curl, you should look for something like this. Did you see the side? So that means when you actually do the curl, it won't be like too harsh or too angular. So basically, you take a strand of hair, about 5 centimeters, and then climb in the plate. When I straighten my hair, I always like at the end of it, I like to have a little bit curve. You know, it's not like all the way straight, to give it like a more natural look. Oh, make sure it's not too thick, like what I just did. So it's pretty easy. Because the temperature is not that high, it actually helps protect your hair. The straightening part is pretty easy. Next, I'm trying to create a messy wave, which means do not curl the root and the end of the hair. So you divide it into 1 inch section, and then start from here. So basically same thing, take a strand of hair, but this time it should be thinner. Just gently pull the strand top, both hands, and then rotate at least half of the turn. And then you just slowly glide down. Leave it like that. So on the side, you want to do it outward. One thing I like about this curl is that it actually helps protect your hair instead of damage it. You know, sometimes when you use a curl and then afterwards your hair just looks fuzzy and you can just see the steam come out from it when you curl it. Then loose up the hair and massage the root to give it more volume. And last, pat your hair. And that's it. So in my next video, I'm gonna show you how I style my hair in 5 easy ways. And if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe.